How to create a wallet on Coinbase. Open Coinbase wallet on your device and then tap on address on the top left hand corner. After you have done pressing it, you can see the option of add and manage wallets. Go ahead and tap on it and then tap on create new wallet. As you tap on create new wallet, you can either click on passkey or else you can click on recovery phrase as well. If you have clicked on recovery phrase, you can then tap on continue and copy the password or copy the 12 words to your note. So go ahead and tap on copy to clipboard and then tap on backup on Google Drive. Once you tap on backup with Google Drive, go ahead and select the Google account of your choice which you normally use and then enter the password of your choice. Make sure that the password is safe, otherwise you cannot set up a password. Then go ahead and enter the password in the second box once again. Once you have done that, go ahead and tap on this little box over here and then tap on continue. Once you have done that, you have now created a wallet on Coinbase for yourself. Go ahead and authenticate yourself. After a while, the wallet will be created and it is fully usable as well. So guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye and take care.